Welcome! Today we're going to replace the toner in your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Allow the machine to cool for 10 minutes. Open the front cover. Pull out the drum unit. Remove the toner cartridge and place it on scrap paper. Be careful not to touch the surface of the roller. Slide the green handle back and forth 2 times to clean the corona wire. Make sure the handle locks back in position. Remove the replacement toner from the packaging. Remove the orange protective guards. Be careful not to touch the surface of the roller. Be careful not to touch the metal contacts. Insert the toner into the drum module. Verify the toner colors match their assigned slots. Push the drum unit back into the machine. Close the front cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.